Hi guys, today I want to share with you this amazing app that I found online. It's called Honeygain. What it does, it actually uses your unused internet data from your network, and then after it uses a certain amount of 200 gigabytes, you get paid via PayPal. It's really easy to install and it uses only your internet. It doesn't collect your personal data or your information, and it doesn't use as much of your resources. It's really simple. You can download it by clicking the link in the description below, or you can just Google Honeygain app. Basically, you can install it either on your phone or your PC, laptop, Windows, or a tablet or MacBook, and just let it run in the background. Once you install it, you verify your email, and then you log in, and then you'll see this bar that says that after you collect a certain amount, you will be paid. If you use the link in the description, you will get $5 as a head start. And then you can see here that the amount of the internet that the app uses from your network. Here you can see all of your devices that are connected, and of course you can refer this to your friends. This app also lets you install it on your phone, like I said, and you can also use your mobile data. But don't worry, the app will let you set a limit if you don't have unlimited amount with your service provider. So you can either use it on your Wi-Fi or when you're on your mobile internet. But like I said, you can set the limit so you're safe on that. And this app is really safe and it's been around for some quite time. I've heard a lot of comments that they actually paid once they collect 200 gigs from your internet, and it's really simple to use. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to invest. You don't have to buy some expensive equipment. All you have to do is just install it and let it run in the background. And as you can see, I already collected 3.69 gigabytes, and you can see here there's a bar. Once I collect the 100% of this bar, I will get paid via PayPal. And if you don't have PayPal, it's really easy to install it. It will take 5 minutes for you to connect your PayPal to your credit card or your bank account. So this is just a simple way to earn a little bit extra on the side, because while it's lockdown and everything, we are all on our computers at home, working from home, so why not use all the time to earn some money? You can try it. It's really easy to install. It's really simple. And if you don't like it, you can just delete it in a matter of seconds. So if you like it, just try it, and I think it will be good for you. That's it for now. Bye bye.